This is independent practice for 6.7. We're going to simplify these expressions. So, looks like we have an x here, a 4x here, and a 6x here. And we're adding these together. Okay? They have to be like terms to add them together. This is an x, this is 4 of the x's, and this is 6 of the x's. Another way to say this is x plus 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can add all those together. So you have 1x, then 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you have a total of 11 x's. All right. When it's addition, if they're all like terms, if they all have a number and the same variable, then you can add them together. Get 11x. Okay. Let's go to number 2. Same type of thing. I'm adding some x's together. Adding. They're all like terms. Okay. 3x plus 4x plus 5x is going to be 12x. Let's do number 3. Okay, now we're multiplying. This basically is 9 times 5 times x. And we know by the associative property that we could do 9 times 5 times x. Instead of doing the 5 times x first, we could do this first. And when we do that, it's 45 times x, or the same as 45x. And there's your answer. Simplified. All right, let's go on to 4. We have 3x plus 8y plus 13x. These are plus, so we can add together just the like terms. I have some x's here, I have some x's here, and here I have some y's. So the y's aren't like anything else. So I'm just going to bring those down, 8y, plus, I'm going to put my x's together. 3x here plus 13x here gives me 16 x's. So that is simple form. You could also go 16x plus 8y. And we know that'll work because of the commutative property. Let's go to 5. Ooh, distributive property. Love distributive property. So I'm going to take this 7 times the 3x. So that's going to give me 21 x's. Plus, I have to multiply this 7 times 5. Because everything that's in here, in the parentheses, needs to get multiplied by 7. So 7 times 5 is 35. And we're talking about y's now. So now I have this addition. If they're like terms, I can put them together. But this is 21 x's. This is 35 y's. So they're not like. So my answer is 21x plus 35y. Okay, that was number 5. Let's go to number 6. I got some adding here. Let's look at the terms. 3x's, 6x, 2x. Oh, they're all x's. So I can add them all together. 3 plus 6 is 9, plus 2 more is 11 x's. That was nice and easy. Let's go here. Ooh, factoring each expression. Okay, so if I'm going to factor this, I go to the smallest number, which is 18. I do my little rainbow factor. 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6, 4, nope, 5, no, I'm done. Okay, let's see which one goes into 24. 18 does not. Does 9 go into 24? Nope. Does 6? Yeah. So I put 6 here on the outside, parentheses, how many times does 6 go into 24? 4, and then you bring the x, plus, how many times does 6 go into 18? 3, and it's a y. There you go. I can't add these together because they're not like terms, but if I would distribute this 6 times 4x is 24x, plus 6 times 3y is 18y, which is the same as this. So I factored it correctly. 4x plus 3y. Okay, let's factor another one over here. 16x plus 40y. I'll take the smaller number. 16, here we go. 1, 16, 2, 8, 3, nope, 4. There's my rainbow. Let's see. Does 16 go into 40? Nope. Does 8 go into 40? Sure does. So I'm going to put my 8 right here. How many times does 8 go into 16? 2 times. And I bring my x. Plus, how many times does 8 go into 40? 5 times. And I bring my y. So my answer is 8 times 2x plus 5y. Cool. Okay, now you want to get to challenging stuff. These are difficult, but we can try. You might have to read it more than once. All right, we have 8 friends, and these 8 friends went to a hockey game. The price of admission per person was X dollars. Okay, so for everybody going to the game, it cost X dollars. 4 of the friends paid an extra $6 for a player guide. Okay, so I'm going to do what it would cost one person to get in. X dollars. Now, only 4 people of the 8 did that. The other 4 did price of admission plus a $6 player guide. And I'm going to times this because 1 admission and 1 player guide is X plus 6. So 4 people just went 4 going to the game times the price of the game. Now I'm going to distribute this out. 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times 6 is 24. Alright, now I'm going to add these like terms together. 4x plus 4x gets me 8x, and then I have this other thing, $24. Okay? Which, this makes sense. The way this makes sense is that I have 8 people, 8 friends going to a game. They each cost X dollars. So that's the price of admission. Now, 4 of them wanted to get in plus, they wanted a guidebook. So this right here is the 4 friends who wanted a $6 guidebook. 4 times 6 is 24. So the total price, once we figure out the price of the ticket, we put that in for X, we times it by 8, we add the 24, we're good to go. Okay. Gabriella is X years old. Her sister, Felicia, is 6 years older than she is. Their mother is twice as old as Felicia. Their Aunt Tanya is X years older than their mother. Oh my goodness. Write and simplify an expression that represents Tanya's age. Alright. So, we have her sister, Felicia, and she is 6 years older than she is. So Gabby is X. We know, so Gabby equals X. Her sister, Felicia, so let's go to this, Felicia, she is 6 years older than Gabriella is. 6 years older. So let's take X plus 6. Alright, there's Felicia's age. Their mother, mother equals twice as old as Felicia. Now, here is Felicia's age. So we want to go twice as old as that. We do X plus 6, and then we times the whole thing by 2, because it's twice as old. Their Aunt Tanya, okay, we got one more person here. Tanya is X years older than their mother. Wow. So let's go to the mother. Is X years older. So Tanya is X years older than the mother. Well, the mother is 2 times X plus 6. And then we need to add X years plus X. Okay, write and simplify that represents Tanya's age. So we want Tanya's age right here. So we just have to simplify this 2x plus 6 plus x. Let's see if we can do that. I'm going to come over here. 2x plus 6 plus x. I'm going to distribute this 2. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times, I bring down my plus. 2 times 6 is 12 plus x. Now, I see I have a like term here and a like term here. 2x is here, 1x here. That's going to be 3x plus 12. I can't put these together because they're not like terms. And so my answer is Tanya's age, or at least an expression that represents Tanya's age, is 3x plus 12. Whew. Okay? Let's do another couple of these. We have a DVD box set that includes 3 thriller movies and 2 comedies. Okay, so I'm going to start writing this out. My DVD box set equals 3, we'll do T for thriller, plus 2 C for comedies. Okay, use T to represent the cost of each thriller, which I did, and use C to represent the cost of each comedy, which I did. Write and simplify an expression that represents the total cost of 6 box sets. Well, this right here is 1 box set, so 3T plus 2C is 1. I want 6 of these babies. So 6 times this 1 box set. Now I'm going to simplify it by distributing it. 6 times 3T is 18T, plus 6 times 2 is 12C. And there is the total cost of 6 box sets simplified. All right, one more. Are you having fun yet? All right. A fall candle gift set has 4 vanilla candles and 6 pumpkin spice candles. Okay, so I got my fall candle gift. And the gift set has 4 vanilla plus 6 pumpkin. Okay. Use V to represent the total cost of each vanilla. Okay. So this is going to be 4 times V. That'll give me the cost of the vanillas. and P to represent 6 times P, that's the cost of the pumpkin candle. Write and simplify an expression that represents the total cost of 4 sets. Well, this is one set. One set is 4V plus 6P. So there's my one little set, but I want 4 sets. So I'm going to times this by 4. Now, I distribute it. 4 times 4V is 16V, and 4, bring down my plus, and then 4 times 6P is 24P. And that's as simple as I can get. Those are not like terms, so I can't add them together. Alright, that is how you do simplify some expressions. And the word problems are pretty difficult, but you can do it when you think about it, when you make little sketches and write it out. It helps to draw pictures, it helps to say it a few times, read it a couple times. Okay? So now I want you to, if you have any questions, come see me. I'll help you with these. But now I want you to go to the extra practice on page 501. And I want you to do numbers 22 through 33. And it's that whole page on page 501. All right? So, good luck.